Global markets entered the week on shaky ground. U.S. stocks opened with uncertainty, caught between fading hopes of interest rate cuts and rising tension ahead of Nvidia's high-stakes earnings. At the same time, the long-delayed U.S. jobs report is set to shape the next big move for the Federal Reserve. And in the crypto world, Bitcoin's dramatic plunge is triggering fresh concerns. Today, we break down the facts, the history, and the global impact behind this critical moment for the financial world. U.S. stocks spent Monday's session wavering as investors cautiously assessed the economic landscape. The Nasdaq made a small gain while the S&P 500 and Dow Jones hovered near the flat line after an early drop. The hesitation reflects growing doubt about whether the Federal Reserve will move forward with a rate cut next month. Much of the market's focus is centered on Nvidia's upcoming earnings. The chipmaker has become a symbol of big tech's explosive growth, and this week's results will be a major test for the AI-driven market rally. With valuations running high and investors questioning long-term sustainability, Nvidia's financial outlook could shift market sentiment significantly. There was, however, a notable surprise. Berkshire Hathaway disclosed a nearly $5 billion stake in Alphabet, one of Warren Buffett's rare moves into major tech. Google's stock jumped sharply after the announcement, but the excitement was balanced by news that Peter Thiel's hedge fund had sold its Nvidia holdings, adding another layer of uncertainty. Attention now turns to the delayed September jobs report, expected later this week. Because of the federal shutdown, this data arrives at a crucial moment. The report will play a key role in shaping the Fed's next decision, especially as traders reduce expectations for a rate cut from 62% just a few days ago to around 45% now. Corporate earnings will further guide the outlook. Major retailers including Walmart, Target, Home Depot, and Lowe's are set to report, offering new insight into consumer strength and economic resilience. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is under pressure. After hitting record highs, the cryptocurrency has fallen almost 30% in a month, briefly erasing all gains for the year. The drop signals a clear shift towards risk-off behavior among global investors.